Filipinos joined the New Year celebration in Paris with a grand fireworks display. Our Europe correspondent Dick Villanueva is on the phone for us for the details. Hi Dick, Happy New Year to you.
Yes, Happy New Year. The iconic 2.5 kilometers Avenue des Champs-Élysées in Paris was packed shoulder to shoulder as thousands gathered to welcome the new year with a firework display at the historic Arc de Triomphe. Authorities closed roads with direct access to the venue in the day, while subway station leading to this area stopped unloading passengers as part of the heightened security measures. Police strictly monitored all entry and exit points. As the countdown approached, cheers erupted each time the Christmas lights correcting more than 400 along Avenue changed colors. At the final 10 seconds, dazzling fireworks lit up the sky above the Arc de Triomphe, joined by the glow of raised mobile phones from the crowd. The nearly hour-long display ended without incident, leaving the spectators filled with a renewed hope for 2026. Filipinos in Paris also shared their New Year wishes, calling an end of corruption in the Philippines, for overseas Filipino workers and their families and the fulfillment of promises for an OFW pension law. As the new year begins, many are hopeful a fresh starts as 2025 so a year of struggle and perseverance for many Filipinos. Mai?
Dick, kamusta ang ating mga kababayan dyan sa Paris? Ano ang outlook nila sa pagpasok ng 2026?
Mayroon tayong mga nakausap kanina, interview kanina. Iisa lang ang ano nila, no, yung hiling nila na sana yung trabaho nila kasi karamihan kasi dito ngayon sa mga kababayan natin dito sa ano no sa Paris is dumadami na at yung mga trabaho is medyo nakukulangan na sa ano no sa kanila. So ang ano lang nila, yung hiling lang nila yung ma-improve nila ng maayos yung ano no yung sitwasyon dito, lalo na yung pang-araw-araw na trabaho nila at saka yung para naman mabigyan daw nila ng magandang kinabukasan ng kanilang pamilya sa Pilipinas. Also yung mga ano no yung mga uncertain ano no working status dito, yung wish nila nitong 2026 na ma-regularize sila para ano no to be able to visit their families in the Philippines. Mai?
Alright, maraming salamat at Happy New Year, Dick Villanueva, our Europe correspondent.